Hello beautiful people, today we are at task number 6, apps and browser control. In this section you can change the settings for the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Per Microsoft Defender Smart Screen protects against phishing or malware websites and applications and the downloading of potential malicious files. Refer to the official Microsoft documentation for more information on Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. And we have here from Microsoft the official documentation for Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. You can read more about it. We can see here the snapshot from THM, apps and browser control, check apps files, warning on unrecognized apps and files from the web. This is important. Exploit protection is built into Windows 10 to help protect your device against attacks. Amazing. We also have their privacy statements, settings, and more about them. But learning more about them, you can just jump on Microsoft. Check apps and files. Windows Defender Smart Screen helps protect your device by checking your unrecognized apps and files from the web. And here we see when we want to run something that's potentially at risk. Windows protects our PC, right? It doesn't let us run. Exploit protection. Exploit protection is built into Windows 10 and in our case Windows Server 2019 to help protect your device against attacks. Here we can see exploit protection snapshot from THM. Control flow guard. Ensure control flow integrity for indirect calls. Data execution prevention. Prevent code from being run from data-only memory pages. And force randomization for images. Mandatory ASLR. Force relocation of images not compiled with dynamic base. And then we have random memory allocation. Bottoms up ASLR. Address space layout randomization. Warning, unless you are 100% confident in what you're doing, it is recommended that you leave the default settings. Answer the questions below. Read the above. No answer needed. The best type of questions.